Hey shop owners, welcome to this edition of Car Count Weekly. Now today I want to go through a little bit of a lesson. Specifically the differences between the $100 bill, which you see right here, and the $1 bill. Now, this is a marketing video, so believe me, I will get to the marketing part of this. Now look, if you look at both of these bills, you're going to find a lot of similarities. They're the same size, they're the same weight, they make the same crinkly sound when you crinkle them. If you look real closely on there, there's amazing artwork printed on each one of these bills. They both feature dead people on the front of the bill. As a matter of fact, they cost the same amount of money to make. The $1 bill costs the same amount as the $100 bill to make. But this one's 100 times more valuable, even though they're almost identical. Now, what's the difference and what makes this worth 100 times more? It's the message that's printed on that paper. Now, you might be thinking, well, duh, yeah, it says $100 versus $1. But look, as I said, this is a marketing video, so let me explain what that means to your marketing. Are you putting out into the marketplace a $100 message, or are you putting out a $1 message? Okay, so now it doesn't matter whether it's a printed message or it's part of your email or it's your website. What I'm really talking about is the quality of the message. Is it getting out into the marketplace that this is a $100 ad or a $1 ad? Let me give you an example. Let's just say you're going to send out a postcard. Now you're going to go into your printer with your marketing message, and the printer's going to look at that and say, wow, that's a really, really crappy marketing message. I'm going to give you a discount on the printing. No, of course he's not going to say he's going to give you a discount on printing. It's going to cost him the same amount of money to print that postcard, whether it has a good message or a bad message on it, so he's going to pass on the same price to you. You're not going to get a discount because it's a crappy message. Now you're going to take that same crappy message, those postcards that you put together, you're going to take them into the post office, and the postmaster is going to look at it and she's going to say, wow, that's a really crappy marketing message. I'm going to give you a discount on postage. Never going to happen. No, it's going to cost you the same amount of money to get that postcard into the mail, whether it has a good message or a bad message. You see where I'm going here? You might as well be sending out a good message, because once those postcards finally get delivered to the right people, to either your prospects or your customers, inviting them to your shop, if it's got a $1 message on there, a bad marketing message, guess what? It's going to wind up in the delete file or the trash can. Okay, it's going to go unnoticed because it's a bad marketing message. But if you have a good marketing message on there, guess what? They're going to pick up, they're going to phone your shop, they're going to set up an appointment, they're going to show up, they're going to get their car repaired at your shop, and you're going to get a return on that investment. It may have cost you $1 to put that marketing message in front of them, but if it was a $100 message, you're going to get so much more back in. Okay, so think of this next time you're putting together your marketing message. Are you putting out a $1 message or a $100 message? I hope this helps. Keep an eye on what it is you're sending out in the marketplace, and you will get much more money coming back to you. Take care, everybody. I'll see you on the next video.